Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can use your Gmail to create Microsoft account. So I'm going to show the perfect process. So let me start with the video. Okay, come to the any browser and search for sign up for Microsoft. Okay, you can see this official link from Microsoft to create account. Here you need to put your Gmail account. Just click on next. Okay, so I have already account, so I just sign in. Okay, once you enter your account to create enter your Gmail account to create Microsoft account, you can see this second option to send code. So I just send the code. Just open your Gmail account, get your code. Okay, and just insert it. Now it will ask you to create passkey, so just cancel it. It will be set up your passkey. So skip. Okay, skip having to sign up every time. Okay, stay sign in. Yes. Okay, if you are creating the account first time, so it will be maybe show you to create passkey. You need to just skip it. Okay, the main process is you need to just enter your Gmail email ID, then Microsoft send you the OTP, then just enter your OTP, then you need to skip that second method, which is asking for passkey. Okay, and you can enter your Microsoft account like this. Okay, this is your Gmail account, Gmail email ID, and this is your Microsoft dashboard. Okay, so like this. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.